Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by spotting contexts where English uses to or at put a before cities, buildings, and events. Once you see a masculine singular noun with la, make-o, with less make-ox, make sure to keep ala for feminine nouns. Practice aloud. G vis a Paris, G suis au bureau. This trains mouth shape and rhythm. Also watch the verb a versus the preposition. The accent changes meaning, so always read the sentence for sense before writing. Now move to verbs that govern a. Use it for indirect objects, parlor donner crier and for addressing people. Once done with that, use a for specific times and named events. Le film commence à 20h or à Noël. It signals precise timing. Make sure to check each verb's required preposition. Some verbs take do instead. Practice converting sentences. Change direct objects into indirect with a, and note pronunciation differences in connected speech. To finish, read your sentence aloud and confirm meaning. If it shows possession or third-person singular of avoir, use a without accent. Otherwise, choose a. If you hear a glottal link, the contraction o or ox is likely correct. Adjust spelling. If stuck, rephrase with de la, do, or an infinitive to avoid wrong prepositions. This solves many errors quickly. Troubleshooting tip. If native speakers look confused, check whether you meant location/time versus possession. Then correct a versus immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.